At 2 a.m. last night, a woman named Maria sent me a message that made me cry. She wrote, I have been praying for healing from almost 2 years. Every doctor says you are fine, but inside I am dying. I feel like my soul is screaming and no one can hear it. If you ever felt like Maria, if you ever felt like your pain is invisible, like you are drowning in the silence, what happened next will change everything you believe about healing. Hi, beautiful soul. This is your friend from Motivational Spectrum. Before I tell you what happened to Maria, let me share something very personal with you. 6 months ago, I was sitting somewhere thinking about why people felt spiritually disconnected, emotionally numb, and physically exhausted. That's when I remembered my grandmother's word, oh my dear child. Sometimes we are so busy asking Allah to take away our pain, we forget to ask Him to show us our power. Then I realized we had been praying all wrong. Instead of connecting with divine love, we are reinforcing our brokenness with every prayer. So I decided to try something different. I created 3 prayers that don't beg for healing. They awaken the healer already within you. And what about Maria? Yes, after using these prayers for just 21 days, she sent me another message. Maria's second message said, I can't believe it. For the first time in years, I feel alive. These prayers didn't just heal my pain, they helped me remember who I really am. So, let me share these 3 changing prayers with you. Remember, we are speaking directly with Allah, our Creator, who knows every pain in our hearts and who wants nothing more than to just heal us completely. Prayer number 1, I remember my light. Before we begin, take a moment to connect with the Creator, knowing that He is listening to every word from your heart. Say, Ya Allah, the divine love that lives within me. I remember that I am your perfect creation. Every cell in my body knows how to heal. Every breath I take connects me to your infinite love. I am not broken. I was never broken. I am whole. I am loved. I am enough exactly as I am. Thank you for reminding me of my true nature. I feel your love healing me now. Amen. Say this prayer while placing your hand on your heart. Feel the warmth, that divine love responding to you. Prayer number 2, I release and I receive. Close your eyes and feel Allah's presence with you. He is ready to take away all your burdens. Say, Ya Allah, my beloved Creator, I give you my pain, my worries, my fear. I don't need to carry these anymore. As I breathe out, I release what hurts me. As I breathe in, I receive your peace. Fill every empty space in my heart with your true love. I trust that you are healing me in ways I can't even see. Thank you for loving me through this. Amen. Maria told me that she felt years of heaviness leave her body during this prayer. Just breath and let go. Prayer number 3, I am healing and I am grateful. Now speak to your Creator with gratitude, knowing that He has already begun your healing. Say, Ya Allah, my most merciful Creator, thank you for my healing that is happening to me right now. Thank you for my strength that grows every day. Thank you for using my story to help others heal too. I am grateful for every experience that brought me to this moment of remembering my wholeness. I shine my light to others who are still finding their way. Amen. This prayer seals your healing and makes you a beacon of hope for others. Beautiful soul, I want you to pause this video right now and try one of these prayers. Don't just listen, actually, say the words out loud. Feel them in your heart. Notice what shifts inside you. And here, what I want you to know, Maria isn't special. I'm not special. The only thing that makes these prayers work is your own willingness to remember your own divine nature. If this video touched your heart, please hit the like button. See you in the next video, beautiful soul. Keep shining.